Kenny, Camille, what's up, you beautiful people?
What's up, Nate? How are you, man?
Yeah, I'm good. I'm good. I always love talking with newly engaged couples. I just feel like love is in the air. So I hear you guys are parents, not to a human yet, but to a dog. Step one. Hey,
Yes.
we got to start somewhere.
Right. It's like training wheels, right? It's just like
it's so cool to have you guys a part of our mastermind. And I just thought it would be a cool opportunity to just talk with you guys, allow you to tell us your story. And everybody's story is different, but we want to hear yours.
Yeah, man, absolutely. Well, I mean, thanks for having us, Nick. It's really a pleasure, and we'd love to just share our journey so far. So, I mean, I think before we found out about the program, we were struggling with like finding a real estate strategy that maximized our monthly cash flow, that allowed us to substitute our W-2 income. And then to add on top of that, we also wanted to build a remote business and that we could grow it as well, right? So we felt it was really ambitious. And then, we found out about the program. At first, it was a little scary, to be honest, because we were like, well, what if it doesn't work for us, right? Like, what if it's working for everybody else because they're in a different market or something? What if it doesn't work for us? And then because we were looking at all these different strategies, we were like, man, are we just getting distracted, right? Like, do we have like shiny object syndrome where this looks great and this looks great and this looks great? And so how do you pick one, right? So we got together and we just basically did a pros cons comparison. And we realized, oh my gosh, this model actually checks out all of our boxes if it worked, And so
we really just decided to commit and go for it. But once we joined, what really, really helped us was in being part of the mastermind, Dr. Chau led us through market analysis. And so we really got like held by the hand and able to see like where we should be investing and why and how to do it. And not only that, but being a part of the community, we were surrounded by people who were successful doing it. And so it gave us a lot of confidence. We felt like, okay, we committed to this. And while we really made the right decision, people are doing it successfully. We know we can too. So
we get to meet some people.
Yeah. We had like a local meetup. We got to meet some people that were in the group here. But that was really big and helping us getting the ball rolling. After we made the commitment to join.
Yeah.
And then we had some serious success really soon.
Yeah.
A lot sooner than we anticipated.
Tell us about it.
I mean, I think it was a little bit of luck. I mean,
no way. It was following the recipe.
Okay. Okay. All right.
So we got our first lease signed within a week of joining the mastermind group, nice. Which was insane. And not only that, but so we joined the group, we, started watching the course. We had some of the coaching calls, and we were really building up the courage to make our first call. And on our first call, we got our first lease.
Her call. Yeah. Boom, baby. I love that.
So it basically took us a week to muster up the courage to make the call. And then we made the call, we got the lease. And then we got a 2-month booking within a week of that property going live. So
feels good, right?
Oh my gosh, it's huge.
Yeah, so that was huge, proof of concept for us personally. And then after that, 2 weeks after we got our first booking, we got our second lease. So now we are 3 months into the program, and we already have about $5,000 a month of potential profits coming in.
Oh my gosh. You know what I just heard?
Yeah.
Awesome, guys. Wow. So, I mean, nationwide, and we have 100 and something people in this group. And isn't it fun to just, be able to talk on a very specific subject with people all across the country, and, they're struggling or they're having a big win. It's just like real life. And we all get to work together, through our 4 Zoom calls a week we have the opportunity to be on together. And then of course we have our, big mastermind kind of private or secret group where we all talk together, and it's fun at times, and we all get to stay inspired and motivated. So anyways, what else do you guys have on your minds, on your hearts to share with us about your story?
I think that's what I was going to say, Nick. And that it's been fun, more than anything, like we wake up with a pep in our step. Whereas before, you have your W-2 income, you kind of sometimes dread you have to go to the office and all
the
this
rat
stuff.
race.
Exactly. Yeah. And so, we're having fun doing it, which, I think for us, yes, it's great that, we can substitute our income, but it's also even better that our quality of life is better. And I just don't really think that you can put a price on that.
Yeah, you can work as hard as you want or as much as you want, or the opposite, anytime you want. Nobody's telling you anything. I mean, people in the group, we all try to keep each other accountable and kind of keep it pushing, but you really you have zero boss other than the one sitting next to you, but.
Yes. No, and actually, fun story. We set up our first property, we put it live, and we actually went on vacation to Mexico to visit my brother. And we got our first booking in Mexico. So it was just, and we talked about it. We were like, how cool would it be? It probably won't happen. And then it happened. And it was just.
We got to manage it all remotely. It just really was a dream come true. It was like, we're doing it.
Like this is it. We're doing it,
This avenue of investment has just made all of those dreams and visions come true that we thought were so far away, of being able to supplement a W-2 income and travel and manage your business remotely, and also have it in something that's so safe like real estate. And it's amazing that it was just one commitment, one mastermind away.
Well, guys, as a coach, you guys are so fun to coach, people that are really driven and really motivated and really inspired. It's fun to interact together and go down the same road. I'm doing the same thing you guys are doing as a coach. And anyways, you guys are inspiration. But is there anything else that you guys wanted to throw in? Or
I think that's it for our story, but I know that there are people who are just like us, who may be on the fence of getting in or not getting in, and I think I would just want to tell them the success in this model is just 100% based on your commitment to do it and your ability to take action.
Yep.
So if you just decide, if you just jump into the group, you ask the questions, you follow the recipe, you're involved in the mastermind, as long as you do what is laid out for you to do, you will have success. It's not, we didn't have the success because we're Kenny and Camille. We had the success because we followed what Dr. Chau said to do, and we got involved in the mastermind, and that's why we have it. So
we love this saying that it's like success leaves clues, and so in this case, the clues are the blueprint, right? Like everybody that's successful in our group, including yourself, Nick. We all do the same things, right?
Well, I can't think of anything more than to applaud you guys. So thank you so much. It's been fun talking with you. We'll see you on the call tonight, okay?
Yeah. You got it.
See you later.
Bye.